Kabila to listen to the church. Nyamere had aged 47 years, Uganda by tribe, a Catholic priest, president of Umanji Catholic Parish, Sese, Kalangala district. The charge of one count, money laundering, total section, it be section 119 and 139 1A, the Anti-Money Laundering Act Cap 118. It's alleged that Yuse Kabila, the District, and others still at large between 2023 and 2025, Centenary Bank, Masaka branch, Masaka district, intentionally concealed or disguised the true ownership of 500 million shillings, knowing or suspecting such property to be the proceeds of bribe. You understood? This, I'm informing you that this offense is tried by High Court and the Anti-Corruption Court. So it will be transferred to the High Court